Hi, everybody. I'm going to do the science activity for today. First, we're going to read this poem called The Cycle of Life, and then we're going to answer 2 questions and write down our answers, take a picture of our answers, and send it to me. So let's read the poem, The Cycle of Life, first. Plants start out as tiny little seeds, and oak makes small acorns that grow into big trees. A seed sprouts and grows into a baby plant. Seeds can be as big as a volleyball or smaller than an ant. A life cycle shows how something lives and dies. Watch a seedling grow up high into the sky. Some plants live weeks and some live many years, from seed to plant to making seeds before they disappear. Animals have babies that share their traits, it's true. Baby plants look and act like their parents, too. So just like we look like our parents, baby plants look like their plant parents. So let's look at this picture over here. It says, how is the seed changing? Let's look at that seed. Looks like this is the seed right here. And then something started growing. Something started growing out of it. Do you guys know what these things are at the bottom? Si esto es la semilla, ¿cómo está cambiando la semilla? ¿Qué está pasando a la semilla? Algo está creciendo. Los raíces, ¿no? The roots. The roots are growing. So we're going to write the answer to this question. Please get a pencil and a paper. We have to write this down. We want to know, how is the seed changing? I'm going to start by saying the seed is bigger, right? Está creciendo. ¿Cómo digo eso? How do I say that? It's growing. The seed is growing, right? The seed is growing. You could say the seed is getting, why don't we do this? The seed is growing fruits. The seed is growing fruits. Or you could just say the seed is growing. Now they want to know what questions do you have about the plant? Remember, questions have to start like who, why, how, where, what. Has to have a question mark at the end. So what kind of questions do we have about the seed? I have one question about the plant. How long will it take to grow into a plant? How long from a baby to a plant? So that would be my question. How long does it take a seed to grow? Remember, that question mark needs to be at the end of your question. Now, why don't you write a different question, something not the same as mine? What kind of question do you have? ¿Qué preguntas tienes sobre la semilla o la mata? You could also maybe want to know, what plant is it going to turn into? Right? What plant is it going to be? Why don't we put that? It'll be easier. What plant is it going to be? Is it a tomato plant? Is it a corn plant? Is it a big oak tree? What kind of plant is it? So those are a couple questions. Why don't you turn and talk with someone in your house to think of some other questions? Habla con alguien en tu casa a pensar en algunas preguntas que tenemos sobre la semilla o la mata. And write it down. Vamos a escribirlo, tomar foto y mandarlo a Miss Silva. So that's 3 activities for today. We did, so you want to grow a taco, and you had to write down the answers to those questions. We did the math page with the clocks. There were 2 clocks you had to fill out. And now this is the 3rd thing we just did, is the science. You're going to answer these 2 questions, take a picture, send it to me, and then you're done. Good job, boys and girls. I'm really proud of all of you, and I miss you all so much. I'll see you at 2 o'clock for Zoom. Bye now.